I got some good smells going on in this kitchen this morning. The next thing up, which, I don't do very often, but I'm so glad. I think this may have been a request. Is that right, Teresa? Am I dreaming?
This is just, we're getting into that fall and starting, all the
okay.
brunches and things like that.
Now I've got my cast iron pan heating up. So I'm making a frittata with mushrooms and spinach. So this is great for you vegetarians. Now I'm going to start off with I think it was an 8-ounce container of the fancier mushrooms, the mixed. You got all kinds, the shiitake, the bella, portobello, and then just the regular mushrooms. And I love mushrooms that I keep a little. I'll make sure there's no liquid on them towards the end, because mushrooms are full of water. So you don't want to wash these. You want to, if you feel like there's some stuff on them, just take a paper towel and wipe it off, because you don't want to put these in water since it's already full of water. Who is that? Oh. All right, so we're going to let these cook for just a few minutes. Yum. Oh, thank you, Eddie. I wanted to share something with y'all. I don't know how my eye could have missed this, but I got a beautiful, beautiful handmade quilt. And this young man is so talented. His name is Jim Hankins. And he made this quilt for me. I think he said it was the first quilt he had ever made. And he's like a perfectionist in anything he does. And to just jog your memory, y'all, remember the house that he made for me?
Yeah, about a year ago.
Yes, and it was at Christmas time. So it was all scened out with Christmas trees and shrubs and presents. So after Christmas, we took all that down. And I mean, this is identical to our house, identical. Although we have done a couple of little changes, I don't know. But it's just beautiful, Jim. And I keep this out year round because it's very special to me. And I feel the same way about the quilt that you sent me. So thank you, honey. I appreciate it so much, you thinking of me. Okay, these mushrooms look very nice. Now I'm going to add some garlic to them and put them over here, and I'm going to let them cook, gosh, probably for less than a minute. All right, so we are going to mix our eggs, our egg whites, our salt, our pepper, and our red pepper flakes. And that was just a little minuscule amount of pepper flakes. So I just want to mix up my eggs before I start adding the milk and the Parmesan cheese. And I cooked our mushrooms, y'all, in like a tablespoon of olive oil. All right, so I'm going to take that off the light. And I'm going to add my spinach. Like you can do it like a handful at a time until it's all wilted. It's pretty spinach. Okie doke, I'm going to move back over here, and I've added my Parmesan cheese. And now I'm going to add the milk. And a frittata, to me, is not much difference between a frittata and a quiche. It's just like a crustless quiche. I'm going to spray this. This is my new cast iron cookware. It like has 2 pieces to it, doesn't it, Eddie?
3.
3.
That's two pots.
Yes, and there's the smaller pot. And I just love it. I cook in it a lot. So I'm just going to give this a little helping hand. Hoping our frittata won't stick. Okay, now I'm going to take our egg mixture and I'm going to pour it on top of our vegetables. Ooh, it looks good. It looks very, very good. All right, now we're going to just let this cook on top of the stove for a minute or 2. And then we're going to transfer it to the oven and let it bake for, gosh, about 30 minutes. We just want to cook this on top of the stove until the edges are slightly set. And you can see that they are. And now we're putting this in the oven, and the directions call for a 450-degree oven. And let's see, for about, we're going to bake it for until it's puffed and golden, 15 to 20 minutes. I was going to say, in that hot of an oven, it's sure not going to take it long. This looks wonderful. Look at that beautiful frittata. Yay. And I baked this one for 15 minutes, y'all. I'm just going to top it with a little more Parmesan cheese. And voila, it is ready. And you know what? You can have your mushrooms and your garlic already sauteed off. You can have your egg and milk mixture already beat up. You can do that the night before and then just put it all together in the morning. This is so beautiful. The frittata, after it gets cool, it's going to fall a little bit. But there you go. Oh my goodness. The mushrooms are heavenly. This would be wonderful as a side dish along with a grilled steak or baked chicken or just breakfast. It's delicious. Come get you some, Teresa. Love and best dishes, y'all. It's fall, y'all. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.